Ever wondered why we hiccup? It's actually our body's quirky way of reacting to irritation in the diaphragm. When that muscle spasms, it causes a sudden intake of breath, which is quickly blocked by the vocal cords, creating that distinctive hike sound. Common triggers include eating too fast, drinking carbonated beverages, or even sudden excitement. While most hiccups are harmless, they can sometimes last longer than expected, leading to some interesting home remedies, like holding your breath or sipping water upside down. So next time you hiccup, just remember, it's your body's little reminder to slow down. For more fascinating facts, subscribe for more.